Hello, this is War Weasel, Brad Beer. I've gotten a bit more done, so I wanted to make a quick video to show people that I'm not just wasting my time. Here I am. I have just a simple third-person template for Unreal open here. So I'm going to go ahead and show what I've created. This is my test subject, what will become the first protagonist, hopefully, as I go through. Here I've created a blend space. I can blend through all of this. I have a lot to do. I don't have any strafing, and I don't have jogging, and I really want to have jogging working because I think that just makes everything much smoother as we transition through. And since I'm more of a console gamer, I really enjoy using a joystick to make things move around more, well, gracefully. Okay, I know I'm going to catch some flack for that. Her arms are a little bit crazy. I kind of did that on purpose. I really wanted to see the arms go. You know, they're jerky, but this is one of my first animations. Why is she walking around like a bobble or standing there like a bobblehead? Well, that's also a bit of a science experiment on my part. I want to make to see if lining this up with the walk animation, what that does. I think it works out pretty well. So if I have no movement, I might see about creating a separate idle. Anyway, this looks good, and I'm done playing with this part. And now I can start playing with this part. Let me look up, auto-possess the player, and let's begin. Okay, that did not do what I expected. Let's see what's going on. Here we go. Right, use animation blueprint, Goth animation blueprint. Thank you. I need to add that to my actual blueprint. Let's do that now. Or actually, third person character. Okay, I may have saved that then. So now, there we go. Let's see if this works today. Oh, haven't used my my controller much lately, but here we're good. Here I can. Yeah, I really haven't used this much. I have it set up to an all or nothing. Well, that's a bit of a shame. Like I said, there's tons of these little details that I just have to get through. But so far I have a lot more done than I have in a very long time.